All right, so our Tesla wall connector has arrived. So I'm going to do just a quick little unboxing of that. We can go through that, and I'm also going to show you what we have for an enclosure that it's going to go into out on our carport area there. So, ooh, it's the gas pump, as my wife likes to call it. So, thank you for accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. You're welcome. So we have obviously the unit itself here. Looks like a bunch of little, just documentation stuff, setup and stuff. All right. Then of course pull that part out, and then of course the very long cord, 24-foot cord. All right. So yeah, pretty simple with that. I mean, I'm sure you've seen it quite a few times before, but just wanted to show you that. I'm gonna just put you back in here temporarily.